Already look at the color. You too look at that. Oh my goodness, look at it. Popping color, healthy, tasty. The aroma is out of this world. So let's convert this leftover rice into a delicacy with some coconut milk, this worst in Netherlands, and eggs, paprika, carrots, and some spinach. So let's convert it into a delicacy. It's always good to make good use of leftover, and you can convert them to other things. When we first had this rice, it was just white rice with stew, but I want to make it into something different and delicious this time around. So join me, let's do this. So the first thing I'll do is to prepare some of the things I'm going to use. I'm going to cut this into cube form, and we are going to just have different shapes right in there to get that delicacy that we want. Now we are done with this, and I'm going to pack it out. And then on to the next. Our carrots, I'm going to cut it also. So we have our carrots ready. And the next is to cut the paprika. I'm going to use about almost half of it. I'm going to use the small size and cut it into small pieces. So I remember that I have this cutting, tool, and I decided to use it. And I'm going to use this small size. I'm going to use this one to cut the paprika. So I changed my mind and used the smaller cut option. And look at that. Look at that. Tiny pieces. And it's going to come out with the rice than the bigger ones. So we are just going to pour this into our bowl. And all our ingredients are almost ready. So all our ingredients are almost ready. Now I'm going to use 2 eggs. I'm going to break in 2 eggs. Remember, we want to transform our white rice into a delicacy. We have our carrots, we have our paprika, we have spinach, we have the 2 eggs and the meat all ready. And now let's start the cooking process. Look at our coconut oil. I'm just going to use a little part of it. For the egg, I'm going to spice it up with some garlic and aromatic spice mix. And yes, we are going to start soon. And it is the coconut milk that I'm going to use as the oil base. Okay, and just put a little garlic oil for the flavor also. Okay, so join me, let's cook. Pot is hot already. I'm putting our coconut milk. Yes, and right there I'm putting this. And my egg with garlic is also here. So this is what I'm going to start with. I intentionally did not put onions in this recipe, and I used more of garlic. Okay, so I've lowered the temperature a bit, and I'm going to work with a low heat. Okay, so that I don't mess up the aroma that I want to create doesn't go away. So like I said earlier on, I'm going to use this crude mix. Put it a little in my egg also with the garlic. Mix. Then I'm going to put it inside. You see the balls of garlic, and allow everything to serenade. Look at the color. Leave it, don't mix it yet. Honestly, the aroma is already coming really good. You can see that cluster. That's what I wanted to form, and that's why I said in the beginning, don't mix. You want to form this cluster. It's very important. Okay, so when you just put in your egg, don't mix. Allow those clusters to form, and now that the cluster is forming, then you can mix it a little bit with the coconut. Then now, because this, you should be done with this cooking in less than 10 minutes after preparing your ingredients, because basically your paprika, your carrot, you can eat it actually raw, so you just want to steam it a little bit. Okay, even your spinach, everything is going in. And then your rice is already cooked. Remember, guys, your rice is cooked, so you just want it to warm up a bit. See, by the time you start mixing it together, oh my goodness, the color is going to pop out. So allow everything to just simmer together for about 2 minutes. Can you see that? You check for the taste, for the salt. If the salt is not enough, then you can sprinkle in some salt. But like I always said, your spices already have some salt in them, so please be careful. Check for the salt at the end. Can you see the popping colors? This is how you can transform your white rice. Your leftover rice, you transform it beautifully. Like I said earlier on, dress up with some garlic oil, just a little, it's okay. And your food is ready. Look at the color. You too, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at it. Popping color, healthy, tasty. The aroma is out of this world. And you are ready to eat something different, something tasty, something delicious. Done within few seconds. The stove is out and we are ready to serve. Enjoy. Do you like this recipe? Please like it, comment under this, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Go and convert your leftover white rice into something delicious and healthy like this. Bye bye.